Hey guys, welcome back. It's Anthony Tejada with Preferred Real Estate Brokers, and I got something to ask you. Do you want to live in St. Cloud in the model home? Everything done, just move in? Well, stay tuned. I got something great to show you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anthony Tejada with Preferred Real Estate Brokers, your trusted Orlando real estate agent. And I want to say I'm very appreciative of you supporting my channel. And if you can hit the subscribe and alert buttons down below, I would really appreciate it. Now today we're standing in the Capistrano 2. This is a beautiful model here in St. Cloud, and it is a very nice model. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, sitting right under 2,100 square feet. And it's a beautiful home. And this is actually the model home. So the builder has authorized me to let you know that this home is $385 with everything included, structural upgrades, the decorations, the furniture, right? So they're doing a 2-step program right now for $378, and that'll be the first price, all in. And if you don't like the furniture or you want something else in here, you can buy it at a lower price of $360. So those are the options. It is a beautiful home. So take a look and let me know what you think. All right, see you soon. So guys, what did you think? Beautiful, right? Imagine this home, the way it sits in this video, just for you and your family. I think you guys deserve it. So give me a call, 407-790-0929. And as always, this is Anthony Tejada, shattering your expectations.